Hi friends, welcome to Excel Always Help. Today we'll be looking at history of Excel software itself, and I will be learning a few elements around ribbon or tabs that we have in Excel, how to create them, how to modify them, and how to minimize them if we have to minimize them in for whatever reason. So quickly moving on to the history of Excel. Microsoft originally marketed a spreadsheet program called Multiplan, which was in 1982, and it was popular, but it just lost out to Lotus 1 to 3, which was MS-DOS based systems for the MS-DOS based systems. So this prompted Microsoft to create a new spreadsheet, and they called it as Excel. And they wanted to have Excel to do everything better and more than Lotus 1 to 3. So rest is history. So they released the first version for Mac in '85, and then Microsoft Windows version in '87. So we all know the power of Excel now, and that's why I'm doing this video, and that's why you are now viewing this video. So I frequently receive this question as to who uses Excel. Is everyone using it, or is it only a few people who use Excel? So from my experience, I would say that everybody uses Excel. It can be a businessman, businesswoman. It can be someone who's working in large corporation. It can be someone who is a homemaker who is just trying to make a grocery list or trying to make a budget for the month or trying to put some financial numbers and accounting in place for his or her domestic use. So all of them, they also use students use them more frequently for their projects, for their exercises, for their calculations, for various things that they learn and work on during the time that they are in the college or in the school. And so it is the answer is it's used by almost everybody. So it's a very powerful tool to have. So we're going to now quickly jump on to learning ribbons or the tabs that we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly open a Excel file, look at the Excel file, sample Excel file, and learn some of the elements here, and then we'll move on to the recap session. So what you see here on top, home insert, layout, formulas, data, review. So all of these are various tabs or various ribbons that are available. So what would happen is most often you would go if you are looking for a particular command. Let's say it's a pivot table that you would like to work on. Then you would go click on insert, click on that particular command, and then you start working. So as we progress in our sessions, we will be looking at some of these commands as well. We'll look at the more frequently used ones. We'll also try to understand some of the shortcuts and so on. So continue to subscribe and continue to look for more videos. Now in this session, what we're going to see is we're going to understand, can we add a ribbon here, and can we have some of our more frequently used commands listed under that particular ribbon, so it becomes easy. I don't have to keep going searching. Is it under data? Is it under page layout? Is it under insert? So what you need to do is, if you are looking at creating a new tab or a new ribbon, all you will have to do is go to any of these ribbons and right click here in this section under the ribbon, and you will say customize the ribbon. You will click on customize the ribbon. Once you click on this, you will get a window similar to this, which is Excel options, and you can just go say new tab. So you'll create a new one, and here under new tab you can name this particular tab or this particular ribbon like how you would like it. So let me name it as a frequent, so which means I'm saying it's a list of commands that I'm going to store which I use more frequently. And here under the new group, you can just click on this, and to the left you see all the commands available in various tabs. You can just have them copied here, so they would still exist in those respective tabs as you were seeing them earlier, just that there's going to be a copy of it under this new ribbon that you're creating, so it's easier for you to just pick from there. Let's say I use freeze panes more often. I just click on freeze panes, say add. I can add format painter if I use that more often. It can be fill color, it can be copy, cut. Okay, so once I've done whatever I need to add here under this particular header, all those commands are added, and I'll just say okay to it. Once I say OK, I will see this new ribbon which has a name frequent, and it has all of those frequently used commands that I have copied, which I can use during my working. So here, if once you let's say you want to change or modify this, all you have to do is just go say customize ribbon, and it's very easy. You just expand under frequent, and let's say I don't want cut and copy, so I'll just say remove copy. I'll say remove, and I'll say OK. So I don't have cut and copy showing up here. I just need have these which I can use. So you can add, you can delete, you can remove. So you can here also delete this tab altogether. You can again go to customize the ribbon, and you can just click on frequent, and you can delete it altogether. You can just say remove, which means your entire tab is now removed. So if you come back, you will see only the ones which you originally had. You don't have frequent showing up here. Even if, let's say, you need more space when you're working and you don't need these to be showing up, commands to be showing up here, you can just go right click and you can say minimize the ribbon, and that will actually minimize it. So that's again another powerful one for you to use. It's just minimized, it's not gone. When you go and click on it, you will still be able to view and use. Just that when you are working on this sheet, you don't have them showing up, which again is a good one. Let's say you want it to reappear and be as normal, you can just go, you see a check here, you just uncheck it, and it comes back to its normal position of being available all through the time when you need to work on this sheet. So thanks for watching this. There'll be more videos I'll be posting on other steps and other commands and shortcuts and other fun elements of Excel. So subscribe, share, and like it. See you soon. Bye.